Hello everyone, I'm Jigon, so today to bring you our newbie does not explain moves 5th, then update the time it, may be dragged so a little long, but this period, to bring you a higher ornamental around action, we all prefer high ornamental small moves, right? The butterfly knife used in this episode. It's Louis Pick Pick from Wuzhong. She puts a circle on this dangerous cake. The purpose of this circle. It's to let everyone, so that we can better recognize the dangerous cakes. Okay, without further ado, let us enter today's teaching session. First, to show you, I just want everything to end. Too much, I love you too long-winded. But you love to hear me say it. I'm not much of a romantic. All I want is the life I want to live. Is simple and easy. So now what I want to say and what I want to do. If I want to, I have to listen to your goodness or not. Can I love as if I've never been loved before? I want to wait for me underneath you. Want to see with you. Okay, then you can see. Show a little bit of this set of movements is completed. Then familiar with my audience may also know. This is a set of starting moves that I often use it. And it's quite good for viewing. Today, I'm going to share it with you. Let's go into our teaching session. Into the teaching session watch and learn. First of all, we are reverse grip. The reverse grip starts with a miniature handle. The miniature handle is close to the side of our hand. Then the starting position is like this. Use your thumb, middle finger, and index finger. Hold the knife with all three hands. And then, when you throw it this way, turn it around your middle finger. Flip. Round your middle finger. Then your middle and index fingers. Hold the knife like this. And when you turn it around, insert your thumb. Make a wireless rotation around your thumb. It's a bit abstract. I'll give you a slow motion reply. Okay, so you've made it to the point of wireless rotation. Your first part has been completed. How many times do you need to rotate your thumb wirelessly? This is arbitrary. If you want to get up in the morning and spin until lunch, that's fine too. I usually do 1, 2, or 3 revolutions. Okay, so after entering the wireless rotation, how do we stop it? We use our thumb, middle finger, and index finger. Stop it after it. We have to repeat our first session. Turn it upside down. Just stop it and turn it around. Turn it around. Keep going around our middle finger. Turn it upwards. Then we'll hold it between the middle finger and the index finger. But this time we don't insert the thumb. We're going to hold it and then we're going to turn it over. We're going to turn it upside down like this. Keep going in the same abstract way. Show it in slow motion. In fact, if you do this step, it's already relatively simple. This is a starting move.